single Kenyan, wherever they are, I am sure joins me in sharing that pride, and also to congratulate you for your sense of duty, both to country and community. Today will mark the culmination of a very long journey which started in 2019 when the first qualification competitions were held. This journey, unfortunately, has been characterized by the uncertainties due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which amongst other challenges resulted in the postponement of the Olympic Games last year. However, despite and even in the face of this pandemic, we have all remained confident in the abilities of our sportsmen and women, and our history in athletic competition is well known, our victories celebrated globally, and we are certain that this team will also bring the same glory to our country. Sports in our country has also attracted the best talents and brought together personalities and professionals from across the country, and our values of hard work and service to the nation are deeply entrenched in our athletes.
And we are confident, Your Excellency, that they are well prepared and that they are all ready for the championship. Kenya will be sending a total of 113 athletes to this year's Olympics and Paralympic competitions. And we have put in place extensive measures to ensure their safety and their welfare.